Okay, update thing here. I'm at Potato Head for the weekend. So yeah, it's raining and in Bali the rain is warm. No one stop for that. So people still chilling and we just less sun. That's all. This bar is live here and no sun, but it's good. So it's not that busy. I mean, it's not a bad thing. I like it not so busy. So if you happen to see potato head, this is what it look like. Locker. Oh, the bar. Carla having a warm towel. Yes. And this is other bar. This is the other section of potato head. Potato head famous for this old window. It's raining. The, the bar on the back. Some it's covered because the rain. Okay, that's potato head, guys. Have you been to here? So this is full place to check it out.